Beach Luxury Hotel was the venue where Karachites converged on 14 July to celebrate the French National Day hosted by the Consul General. Addressing the ladies and gentlemen in the audience, he told that 236 years ago, the people of Paris united behind their military under the command of General Lafayette, stormed and forever destroyed the sinister Bastille prison, a symbol of arbitrary detention, monarchic authoritarianism, and oppression. Consul General reiterated that France was the first non-Muslim nation to recognize Pakistan's independence in 1947.
We remember that Pakistan Air Force pilots learned how to fly on French Mirage fighter jets.
Speaking about the recently held UNOC3, the Consul General said,
"As we gather today, overlook the Indian Ocean, and I take pride in the fact that France, my country, hosted the UN Summit on the Oceans, UNOC3, as recently as last month in Nice."
Ce combat est vital pour nous tous. Et je le dis ici avec force, les abysses ne sont pas à vendre. Et pas plus que le Groenland n'est à prendre. Pas plus que l'Antarctique ou la haute mer ne sont à vendre. Pas plus que les licences de pêche des pays en développement ne sont à donner. Pas plus que les données scientifiques ou la sécurité des populations littorales ne sont à sacrifier. Nous parlons d'un bien commun.
Still harboring on the theme, he told that President Macron and Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif had met frequently since 2022 when Pakistan, particularly the provinces of Sindh and Balochistan, were severely affected by catastrophic floods. They met again last December in Riyadh, where they decided to increase cooperation. Talking about the revival of Pakistan-France Business Alliance that is affiliated with the Chamber of Commerce in Paris, Consul General informed about increasing Franco-Pak commercial ties. He noted that positive comments on Pakistan's economic and financial situation, particularly by IMF, were an important incentive for French companies to increase their activities in Pakistan. For instance, puja is being produced in Karachi.
France and Pakistan have enjoyed cooperating for over 60 years now in the field of archaeology, with French archaeologists excavating thousands of artifacts across Balochistan and Sindh.
Hopefully it's not only a 2-3 years program, but at least 5-6 years program. Continue our explorations in Sindh-Kohistan, which is a very important region.
Health is of course of primary importance to all human beings, and education is key to our common future. I'm very proud that we have been able to do meaningful work in these areas.
Karachi is the host to the oldest foreign cultural center in Pakistan, namely the Alliance Française in Karachi. His Highness the Aga Khan was meeting last Friday in Paris, so just a few days ago, with President Macron.
He acknowledged collaboration with Aga Khan University and IBA. He informed that a permanent representative of Campus France is now stationed in Karachi, aiming to assist Pakistani students seeking higher education in France at an affordable cost. With live music and extravagant buffet to satisfy the palate of hundreds of guests, lucky draw added to the happiness of the fortunate guests. Many sponsors gave away their wares. Spectacular fireworks illuminated the skies over Arabian Sea.